Welcome back to another video, guys. So in this video it's gonna be a little different. So I found this old game that I have. It's called an actual scary nextbot game, and well, there's this little flickering light in the game. I'll show you. I actually want to show you guys how you can make it yourself. So it is, yeah, kind of a tutorial video. We're gonna see whatever. I'm gonna hit play here. I forgot all the controls. There we go. Play. Okay. Explorer. I completely forgot this game. I completely forgot about it too. So you can actually see these lights in here. And I'm actually going to show you guys how you can build those. Right here. These lights right here. So I made a system where it randomly flickers like that, see? I'll actually show you guys how to make that in this game. In this video, my fault, this game. But yeah, I actually have a lot of things going on. I actually have this the nextbots and stuff. I completely abandoned this game too. Yeah, it's called Anomaly Hunter. You can go around here. I actually have this flashlight in my left hand, so you can use items in your right hand and stuff. And these are the nextbots right here. I have them encased and stuff, so they don't actually chase you yet. And yeah, I mean, I think I might get back to this game soon. There's still a lot of errors because of new stuff in Roblox and all that. And I have this radio too that moves to the music if you want to hear it. You can stop it. But yeah, so this area is completely different, but I'm actually going to show you how to do those lights in this video. And maybe I'll show you how to do the radio in another video. Maxwell's Hotel. But yeah. So before we get into the actual tutorial video, I'm going to show you the other nextbot over here. And there should be a train that goes past. I'm outside the map right now, so. See how it's gonna be very intense in the actual game. I think I might come back to this sooner or later. But just to show you, and there is gonna be there is a train that passes by right here. I'll cut to the video when it actually gets by, but here we go. And that's pretty cool. And here's all the models and stuff that I use for the game. All from Half-Life 2. Did that say something? Did this say something? There's no bee hopping, I don't think, yeah. Alright. So I'll show you guys actually how to do that in today's video. I'm just going to take one of these, duplicate it, and move it. Damn, why is the, bro, why is that anchor point so far off? Alright, whatever. Okay, so here's what we got. We have this. You can see it's actually shining down. And if we open this up here, we have a script. And you know, this is all like, it's not optimized. This is when I was a lot younger than I am now, so it's different. So I'll just explain to you what it is. So it waits in between 15 to 40 seconds, anywhere in between that, and it turns off the light, like the actual light, surface light that's inside here and inside here. It actually turns both of those off, and then it turns off the beam, which the beam is this little light thing here that's inside here. You can take off that. It'll just disable it by doing that. And then it changes the material of the light. So this one, right now it's neon, which makes it look like it's actually glowing. And whenever the light turns off, it's going to turn it into a smooth plastic, which I'll show you. Change the material from neon to smooth plastic. And look, it looks like it's off. And I think there's an easier way to do, or a much shorter way to do this. What I'm doing right now is it's pretty different. I don't know. And yeah, so it does that, and then it plays a sound, which should be, I didn't make it. It's in the workspace, or not workspace. It's in the toolbox, so it shouldn't be something that it should be something you can play, and if you grab the model, which is in the description, by the way. I'm gonna put the model in the description. So you hear that? I can probably make it louder if you want. Yep, that's the sound 2, and then normal sound is this. Same thing. I have 2 of them because I don't know. And then the flying and the flyer and the sparks. The flyers and the sparks are those little effects that you see. So if I enable this, you can see those come off. And the sparks, just little lights. And when you say emit after it has to be a particle emitter. If you put colon emit and then put in a number, it'll actually emit only 10 of those particles instead of having it enabled for a couple seconds and turning it off. And then it waits 10 to 15 seconds and it turns back on, and you turn everything back on. No particles, because when the light turns on, it doesn't break like that, you know? So, well, usually when it sparks like that and sparks come out of it, it usually breaks forever, but I mean, this is better, you know, so it doesn't break all the time forever. I kind of made it like wait from 15 to 40 seconds to make it look like it did, and then yeah. And then the same thing happens here. Lights off, and then the beam off, and then it plays sound instead of sound 2. I don't know why. I don't know what the difference is, but yeah. So these, I'm sure I'll know eventually. But yeah, I have 2 different sounds, maybe just for bugs and stuff. And then it emits 10 of each one of these particles once more. Then waits 15 to 40 seconds instead of 10 to 5 to turn it back on. And pretty self-explanatory. You know, all these little things just in a while true do statement. You could probably make script.parent a variable, so you can say local script.parent equals, I don't know, light. So you could probably change all of these. Oh, wait, no, oops. Oh, I put it backwards, my fault. Local light equals script dot parent. Okay, and then you can just change all of these script dot parents to light. Since you already changed this to that, so they're basically just changing all of these to light. Alright, so pretty self-explanatory, you know. I have the script for all the other lights, and for the shorter ones, bro, what the frick? Alright, this one's a taller one, right here, that's taller, and I have some that are shorter. You can actually see the beam doesn't go all the way to the ground, but yeah, so, and I actually, before I end this video, I actually do want to show you one last thing. So, this game, you hunt anomalies, which is something that's out of the ordinary, out of anything possible in the actual world. That's what anomalies are, something that's out of the ordinary. So, I made this anomaly here, which is just the original Roblox Jeep, which looks, which is very, that's not mine. See the sparks are flying, and I actually made it do this, and you can interact with it. And you actually get it right here with little sparks flying off of it, and you could probably, and I don't know what to do then, so you can clearly see it right there glitching out and stuff, playing the sound of the hit sound effects. And you can actually, well, I don't know what to do with this, because whenever you interact with it, you get a small version of it that like emits like a radial like sequence, something like that. I don't know, some kind of radiation, I guess. And then you can just probably turn it in somewhere, and your whole goal is just to find those types of anomalies, which are like old Roblox stuff, and you find them like stuck in the wall and stuff, randomly spawn around the map, and you can actually turn it in somewhere to get cash, and make sure not to get caught by the Nextbots, because that'll be a problem. And yeah, that's what I have so far. It's obviously in your other hand, so your flashlight's in your left hand, and like actual tools and Roblox in your right hand. Open my back, but you can't open your backpack. But yeah, this quest thing here, it's not mine. This is made by How to Roblox, if you've heard of him before. And I made it so whenever you open the quests, it actually opens your backpack too. So I actually have a radio. Oh, you have a radio, I forgot about that. Vitamins, maximum root beer vitamins, and you can equip this, and then quest away. And what this does actually, it detects how far away you are from the next spot. And whenever you get closer to the next spot, let's say this Ohio one, it actually gets smaller, the number gets smaller and smaller. Run. And if I get farther away, it gets bigger, the number gets bigger, and then, but if the other nextbot is close to, the number gets smaller again. See, now it goes down. So I'll be able to put multiple nextbots in the game. It'll detect anyone. It'll just detect the closest one to you. That's what I have in the game so far. If you want to see me turn this into an actual game, which I've started a while ago, then go ahead and click that subscribe button. Tell me a couple things that you actually want to see in the game, because I've done everything I can for like the main games stuff, and if you want to see something, you know, that you want to add into the game, then go ahead and let me know. And well, if you want to see this here too, this is something else that I added, which was a viewer request, and it was the back rooms. And if you enter this door, you actually go into the back rooms. On top of the Maxwell Hotel, which there's a ladder that you can get to from the side. Okay. So, and then in the emitter will start emitting like particles and stuff. Should be doing that now, but I don't know what's going on. There you go. You get inside, and now you're in the back rooms. And if you enter the next door, you're in this infinite loop. And if I go back, you know, you just go back here. It's just one big room. It's just, you know, if you go back this way, you'll end up on this side, and if you go this way, then you'll end up on this side. It's just an infinite hallway of stuff. I could change it out to add like different rooms and all that, or maybe make these change, like these windows change every time you enter and stuff. But yeah, these windows, see, this one's broken, that's why it still shows daytime. But these ones, actually, if you change the time of day here, lighting, time of day equals 12. You can actually see these turn into daytime windows. Look at that. Anyways, that's all about my game, and actually a small little tutorial on the side. Yeah, if you ever want to see this turn into like a full-fledged game, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button or like the video. And if you want to see something in particular, just go ahead and comment what you want to see in this game, and I'll show you. I'll probably add it into the game, maybe. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and the light model will be in the description once this video is out. Sorry for not uploading more. So yeah, alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.
Day to day, Freeman. Do you know who ate all the donuts? Don't worry. I am a doctor. Oh no!
Major fracture
Oh no.
detected.
Oh dear!